Hi, my name is Njau. I'm a graduate from Strathmore University with a degree in telecommunications. I am so passionate about technology and communications and how these two can be used to steer growth and bring development in any organization. So, my most crucible moment would be the time when I got to join a leadership program by the Africa Leadership Group. It's called ALX. Firstly, joining ALX to me was an achievement because, my goodness, the process was very competitive, and just making it to be one of the young leaders to be chosen to do this leadership program was such an amazing opportunity for me. Then when we started the whole experience, the whole LX experience, there's so many things that were being challenged. First, it was the my mindset in working, and just in university, what we are normally just taught is the 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 theory of just doing this and that, if it's telecommunications, stuff to do with network and all those things, but we don't get to really learn about how to be an ethical employee or an employer, how to be a leader, how to bring value into any organization. And so those are first some of the things that I really got to learn at ALX. And so this has really molded me to become such a person of, integrity, such a person of purpose, just finding purpose in work, and not just doing work for the sake of doing it, and also bringing value to any organization that I get to work for. And so yeah, I think for me, this situation of COVID-19 has really disrupted a lot of things. And my perspective on it is that COVID is, you know, um, something that has really brought about, um, it has really tested our character, first of all. Character in all form and shape, yes. And why I'm saying that is because if you're not a flexible person, if you're not someone who easily embraces change, this can be really a tough period, this COVID period. And so this COVID has really, shown me that we need to be flexible, we need to be agile, we need to be people who embrace change and, be innovative, and just to come up with solutions as challenges come up. And also, COVID has also brought about very many opportunities, especially in the health sector. And so it has brought opportunities digitally. And so my perspective on digital healthcare is that there are a lot of opportunities in it, that now, um, that we can be able to, you know, um, buy medicine. We don't need to physically go to the pharmacy or to the chemist to buy medicine, but we can be able to buy them and they get delivered. So there's so many opportunities in the digital space in healthcare. Yes. And so um, yeah, so which brings me to the innovation around the patient-centric digital interventions and the clinical partner delivery. So one of the ways that I've seen that we can be able to innovate around patient centric systems is, um, have you ever thought of remote video conferencing with your doctor, and having a monitoring device at home? This saves a lot of money, and also time. So even as a doctor, you can be able to speak to your patients when they have these monitoring devices, and you can be able to, you know, um, give consultations, and also give, anything or any, um, just anything that the patient needs. And so we have, I think we have this opportunity to innovate around this video conferencing and just be able to interact with patients and having these devices that can monitor patients, especially patients with chronic diseases. Yes, and also there's also an opportunity in terms of clinical partner delivery. I mean, how about maybe different clinics that or maybe just having different doctors or nurses or just people in the medical field that can be able to partner and come together and come up with systems or a way that they can be able to deliver things digitally, especially to patients, to deliver care. How about if someone can be able to be reminded of like your vaccination of your baby or immunization, and like a notification just pops up on your phone through maybe an app or GSM technology. You get a text that reminds you of that today you have maybe or maybe tomorrow in advance that your baby needs to be immunized for this and this, according to the different weeks. So yes, I'm really excited, Ponea Health, for this opportunity. So thank you so much, and I'm looking forward to working with you and to be, trained in every way. Yes, and thank you so much for this opportunity.